asking, do your best to get on together.
Yes.
As you know, you will live with them.
Yes.
You will eat with them. You will take care about their children as your children.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
When you be nice, they will be nice with you.
Yes.
And for your salaries, I am the one and we are the one who is responsible for it.
Yes.
We are the one who is paying you monthly without delay.
Yeah.
You will have also your insurance, medical fee as well. If you have something, we are the one who is looking after you.
Yes.
But all what we are asking from you to respect yourself and work hard, and you must to complete your contract, which is for 2 years.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are we agree with that?
Yes.
Do your best, please.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
For your coming.
You're welcome.
All the best to you.
Thank
and
you very
successful
much.
for your life.
Thank you.